Assalamu alaikum. Hello.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Hello, Afia. Hello, Ryan. How are you?
Fine.
Fine. So this is very brave of you, you know. Were you a little nervous before you joined? Wow. You know, I was very nervous because your dad is a big star, you know, and we've been watching his drama. So मैं तो बहुत nervous थी, so you both are very brave, mashallah. Yeah? Very good. Okay, and you know, आपके बहुत सारे dad के fans भी join कर रहे हैं because they all wanted to see you, both of you, live coming together. तो पहले मुझे ये बताएं कि कल Father's Day का क्या प्लान है?
क्या प्लान है? क्या प्लान है फादर्स डे का? लंबी खामोशी.
Okay, तो I think plan अभी बनेगा, हाँ? या तो maybe it's a secret and Abbu doesn't. By the way, what do you call him? Abbu or Baba? Ryan, what do you call? Baba. Afia saying Baba. तो बाबा के साथ क्या प्लान है भाई? अब चलो प्लान हमें नहीं पता, तो आई थिंक इट्स अ सीक्रेट, या तो मामा के साथ कोई सीक्रेट बन रही है तो वो बताना नहीं चाह रहे हैं. वी डोंट नो. हाँ, ओके. सो आफिया, वी नो अ लिटिल बिट आपके बारे में, हमें थोड़ा बहुत पता है. हमें पता है कि टूथ फेरी आई थी शायद आपके पास. हाँ, आई थी. वाओ. टूथ फेरी किसने बुलाया था टूथ फेरी को? मामा ने कि बाबा ने?
अम्मा.
अम्मा ने बुलाया था. हाँ, देखा, क्योंकि अम्मा के साथ तो एक स्पेशल रिलेशनशिप है ना आफिया की. अम्मा फेवरेट है आई थिंक. हाँ, अच्छा. और रायान, व्हाट अबाउट यू? हाँ, आपके बारे में भी हमने सुना है कि कोई बच्चा हैरी पॉटर पढ़ रहा है बहुत सारा. Okay, okay, great. You know, I'm also a big Harry Potter fan. Who's your favorite character, Harry Potter में?
Harry Potter. Fred and George.
Fred and George, yeah, they're funny, है ना? I also like them and they're pretty cool. गायब हो जाते हैं, एकदम से appear हो जाते हैं बीच में. अच्छा, listen. So आपको मैंने एक मैसेज भेजा था. आप दोनों के पास एक पेपर एंड पेंसिल है?
There we go.
Great. So we are going to play a little game, okay, to make it fun. And the game is going to be about how well you know your Baba. Okay?
Yeah.
So हम आपसे सवाल पूछेंगे and you can, आपको पूरा जवाब लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. If you know the जवाब, you can just, but don't tell बाबा the जवाब. ठीक है? फिर मैं बाबा से भी वही सवाल करूंगी. Is that okay?
Okay.
ठीक है? Okay. If you don't understand anything, you ask me again. ठीक है?
ठीक है. ठीक है. Got it.
Okay. All right. Okay. So first सवाल रायान आपके लिए है. All right. About Harry Potter. कि अगर हैरी पॉटर में आपको बाबा को प्ले करवाना है कोई रोल, ओके, तो आप उनको इन तीन में से कौन से रोल्स प्ले कराएंगे? डम्बलडोर, स्नेप, प्रोफेसर स्नेप या हैग्रिड?
Oh.
And then Baba will tell us later which role he will play. But you have to guess what Baba wants to play.
Dumbledore, Snape,
बाबा
or
जवाब नहीं देंगे. हाँ, ये रायान को पहले सोचना है कि which role would Baba love to play.
You know your answer?
Which one would Baba love?
Yeah.
हाँ, but don't tell Baba. Don't tell Baba the answer. Yeah. ठीक है, got it? Okay. अब आफिया, I have a question for you. फिर मैं दोनों के जवाब पूछूंगी, ठीक है? I know you love dressing up and I know कि आप बहुत अच्छा तैयार होती हैं, है ना? अच्छा, अब कल है फादर्स डे. बाबा को अगर आप कभी हेल्प करती हैं तैयार होने में, do you suggest to him कि क्या पहनना चाहिए? What will look nice? Okay. तो अगर बाबा को कल फादर्स डे के लिए ड्रेस अप कराना है, तो what do you think he should wear? A white t-shirt and jeans or should he wear a kurta shalwar? You don't tell Baba, okay? You think in your mind and I'm going to ask Baba. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, बाबा, पहले तो आप ये बताएं कि आप डम्बलडोर या स्नेप या हैग्रिड क्या करें, क्या खेलेंगे?
Because of my silver hair, I might think Dumbledore, but no. Maybe because if I'd like to grow my beard longer, I'd like to be Hagrid. But I think I'd go for Snape.
I knew it. Ryan, yeah? Oh, very good. Okay,
Nice.
1 point for Ryan. Okay, Afia. आप बताएं, what do you think Baba would like to wear? और बाबा आप पहले जवाब देंगे, फादर्स डे पे आप क्या पहनेंगे?
कुर्ता या white t-shirt और jeans. I mean, I like to wear kurta occasions पे खास तौर पे, but I think given the circumstances, I'd like to wear a nice white t-shirt and jeans. Afi, what's your answer? What?
Same.
Oh, white t-shirt. High five.
Oh, very good, Afia. I'm impressed. Chalo, Baba and Afia have a good, and Ryan. Okay, chalo, next one. Next one, Ryan. मैंने सुना है कि आप FIFA खेलते हैं, हाँ? PlayStation पे, right? Okay. बाबा के साथ खेलते हैं? You play with Baba? Okay. Are you going to challenge him to a game on Father's Day?
We're trying to get the controllers fixed. हमारे से मेरे दो controllers खराब कर दिए, ये जीत सके.
ये हम सबके घरों में ये प्रॉब्लम है, कोई बात नहीं. This is normal. Okay, chalo, supposing controllers are working and if you have to play with him, you have to tell me which team Baba would pick and 2 players in the team that he would want. Okay? Which team Baba would pick and 2 players
What
in the team.
team I would pick? Ooh, that's tricky.
And 2 players in the team.
2 players and which team Baba would pick to play against you. ठीक है?
Tricky.
Write your answer. जब तक हम आप आंसर लिख रहे हैं, हम आफिया से ये पूछ रहे हैं कि आफिया, what does Baba love for breakfast? नाश्ते के लिए बाबा को बेस्ट चीज क्या लगती है जो आप सुबह उनको खिला भी सकती हैं फादर्स डे पे?
I know. Let's see.
Okay, Ryan, are you ready with your answer?
No, not yet.
It's a
Okay,
very
चलो.
Ryan ने पूरी encyclopedia खोली है.
हाँ, बहुत मुश्किल सवाल है. चलो, एक प्लेयर लिख दो, एक टीम and 1 player.
One player. है ना? That's
He
it.
wants to get it right, हाँ? Yeah. But बाबा आपने सोच लिया क्या जवाब होगा?
Teams, okay. Teams are tricky because if you go international, I'll go for Germany.
Okay.
And if I go for clubs, then I would either go for Liverpool or Arsenal.
Okay.
This is the teams I'd go for.
वो पीछे
Players
से
में, I'd rather either go for Ronaldo or Mo Salah.
Okay.
अब जो game हमारे पास है उसमें Ronaldo probably makes sense and Germany makes sense.
Okay. And Ryan, what was your answer?
That's off.
I was right with the team.
Okay.
Arsenal.
Okay.
Arsenal, yeah.
But the player
Arsenal.
was.
Who did you get the player?
I thought you had to choose a player from that club.
Oh, Aubameyang.
Okay.
You got it, yay!
Aubameyang.
Very good. Okay. Excellent. Very. I think Baba's going to win the match tomorrow, Ryan. Huh?
Inshallah.
Okay. Acha, Afia, your turn. What will Baba love to have for Father's Day breakfast?
Father's Day breakfast. Baba kya khayenge? Ye nahi what you want to have. So what do you think Baba would love to have?
I know.
Kya khayal hai? Say it.
Sorry, steak?
Bole,
Did you
kya khayal hai?
Cereal. कौन सा
Baba
सीरियल?
always has a big proper breakfast. और जब Baba बिल्कुल कोई wild चीज करना चाहते हैं, then he has cereal with the kids.
Ah, okay. So, what did you choose? Did she say cereal and Baba would like
She said
cereal
cereal.
tomorrow?
Yeah, she said
Cereal. चलो. So, you get out his favorite cereal, you put it in a bowl, milk, दूध डालें और वो आप कल उनको breakfast दे दें with a nice note, Father's Day note. हाँ? अब तो हो बन गया Father's Day breakfast. Okay. Next question, Ryan, मुझे बताएं. I hear you play the drums. वो, right? Okay, that's very exciting, and I think एक दफा हम आपके साथ एक live करेंगे with you playing the drums, हाँ? Later on, इंशाल्लाह. अभी आप मुझे ये बताएं कि फादर अब बाबा को कौन सा song best लगता है that you would love to play for him, that he would like you to. Baba's favorite song.
क्या आप शुरू करेंगे?
Can I have a hint of genre?
Go ahead.
You can decide which genre. You decide which song Baba you think loves best.
That is a tricky one.
बाबा का फेवरेट गाना वही वाला, फिर तुम प्रैक्टिस करोगे ना. ओके आफिया, फॉर यू टेल मी, बाबा को कॉफी अच्छी लगती है कि चाय?
That's easy. ये तो आप कह सकती हैं ना. Coffee अच्छा है. Actually, she still wants to write.
She wants to write.
Writing down part.
Oh, she's a big girl, bhai. She can write.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So Ryan, Very
Huh.
difficult question. What music? What song?
Okay, you can give me 2 songs if you're not sure. दो बता दें.
I have my answer.
You have an answer? Confident, yeah.
Yes.
Not that confident. Yeah. So which one?
It's 80s.
Okay.
80s song.
Yeah.
And
Huh.
It's metal.
no.
It's
Pop.
rock. Pop. Oh, okay. I think you would probably think of Take On Me. Yes.
Yes. Oh my God.
Take On
And
Me
that's
by
good
Aha.
thing. Ryan, I'm impressed. अब तो सीखना होगा. You know how to play that on the drums? आता है खेल बजाना?
You can.
Yeah, I can.
Oh,
He has
great. तो
drums
बस
in
कल
mind right now after this, so he could practice that with
he can
Samana.
practice it and he can play it for you tomorrow. है ना?
Ryan
Excellent.
is now teaching me the drums.
Sorry, he's teaching
He's
you the
teaching
drum.
me the drums now. Yeah.
Wow. Okay, I want to know कि आफिया and वो उनकी मामा क्या कर रही होती है जब घर में drums बज रहे होते हैं जोर जोर से.
Even Afia wants to learn then.
Wow, that's so cool. I would also
Now
love to
too
learn.
good for it.
Yeah. Okay, great. Okay, next
Okay.
question. Favorite color. बाबा का favorite color क्या है ये आप दोनों के लिए?
Chale. Tough again.
I know.
You do?
Okay. And you also know Ryan? Baba, what's your favorite color?
Color.
Baba's favorite color. That's tricky.
अब वो सोच रहे हैं मेरा favorite color कौन सा है बच्चे क्या लिखेंगे
I have no clue what my favorite color is.
but the children know बच्चों को पता है
और ये शायद बता देंगे मुझे मेरा favorite color है. Let's see.
Okay. Okay.
Gee, do you have answers, children?
No, wait.
Oh. Red, blue, green, yellow. सारे लिख दो.
Oh, what do you
Okay.
think my favorite color is?
Someone here is answering it's red or white. यहाँ आपके fans भी जवाब दे रहे हैं आपको साथ साथ.
तो वो भी लिख रहे हैं red or white or maybe
Red or
silver.
Yeah, or maybe silver. Yeah. Okay, मैं यहाँ साथ साथ करती रहती हूँ messages थोड़े से.
Ready, Afia? Afia's almost ready. Well, colors has
Okay.
never been my. I've never been hard upon colors. Goes with the mood, etc. Generally, if you shoot from the hip, I always say chocolate brown. But if I have to think about it, I really like. I like the greenery, but a clear sky I really like. So I really like those views generally. But I don't know what the kids. क्या जी?
Light blue.
Light blue? Afia?
Dark blue.
Blue, dark blue, light blue.
Wow, I am so impressed. Very good. Excellent. Okay, great. अच्छा अब ये सवाल भी आप दोनों के लिए है. बाबा के साथ कौन सी movie would Baba love to watch with you? Which
What
movie?
movie?
You can, you know, Netflix time, tomorrow Sunday. Which movie would you love?
बहुत movie nights होती हैं, so there's a short list of movies. फिर very democratically election होता है movies का, और फिर selection होता है, and then we all sit down and watch it. So I don't know which
और
movies
फिर
are on the list
नाराज
now.
कौन होता है?
आजकल कौन सी list पे आप हैं? Ryan? भाई ध्यान से. क्या हुआ? Oh, purple लग गया उसको. कोई बात नहीं. So आजकल कौन सी list पे? We have Dumbo on the list.
Okay.
Dora the Explorer, and what else is on the list? Toy Story तो हो गई है. So इन दोनों में से, which one do you think of these two I would vote for?
I know.
Dora or Dumbo? Choose.
I know. Spider-Verse.
Afia knows.
Between Dora and Dumbo, which one would I watch?
I think Ryan is going to say Dumbo and Afia is going to say Dora.
Dora the Explorer or Dumbo? Right, ready? Ryan, what's your answer?
Dumbo.
Afia, what's your answer?
Wait.
Wait. She's right.
She's writing away. Wait. Right.
आप बताएं. अच्छा लिख
Are you
ले
ready,
रहे.
Oh no. Acha, while Afia is writing it,
Okay.
I personally would like to watch this old classic, this movie, that animation movie of Robin Hood from Disney World.
Where's the cat?
Robin Hood Disney World.
Okay.
But,
Okay.
between these two right now, I would go for Dumbo.
अच्छा.
What'd you write?
Dumbo.
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 It's okay.
Ryan, what did you write?
Papa, be careful.
Dumbo. Oh, you know your father well. अच्छा, आपने वो Home Alone या वो पूरा नहीं देखा? Back to the Future, you're not watching that now. Home Alone तो.
Home Alone हमने देखा है. Ryan and I
Yeah.
watched Back to the Future. We're waiting for her to grow up a little more. So
Yeah,
we watched Back-
exactly. Yeah.
but that trilogy we followed.
Yeah.
I think हमने बहुत सारी फिल्म.
There's so many father and children movies that you can just watch again and again. बार बार देख
Yeah.
सकते हैं. Yeah.
Especially like
Okay.
Finding Nemo. Or
Toy Story.
Toy Story.
Toy Story.
Oh no. Frozen.
Yes, Frozen.
Frozen is the best, है ना? Everyone should watch Frozen. Yeah, I completely agree. Yeah. Do you like Elsa or do you like the other sister? क्या नाम है इसका? Who's your favorite? Elsa. है ना? Elsa. And you're going to have an Elsa birthday party, huh?
Have to decide.
ओहो, कितना मुश्किल सवाल पूछ लिया. अच्छा, सॉरी. अभी आराम से डिसाइड करना, ठीक है? ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. बच्चों, टेल मी, अगर अब्बू को चॉइस मिले कि बर्गर्स चाहिए कि पिज्जा, व्हाट विल ही चूज? जल्दी से.
Oh, burger or pizza? What does Baba choose?
I know.
She knows.
Okay. Write the letter
अच्छा.
off here. B or P.
उमेर, जब
Alright.
तक ये लोग लिख रहे हैं, आप हमें ये बताएं कि सॉरी, हाँ, यस आफिया.
Fake or real?
What do you mean by fake or real? I mean, aren't you
Oh
just
no, real, the real thing, भाई. बर्गर या पिज्जा क्या खाएंगे?
Like real meat or
Real, like if he wanted to pick up the phone and order, Food Panda से order करना है कि जी, you know, आज कोई खाना नहीं बना रहा, आज हम लोग, like tomorrow Father's Day है. Maybe he decides to order, so would he go order pizza or burger?
I know. I would go for.
Mm-hmm. And the answer is
मेरा मुझे ये बताएं
B
कि
or is it P? P for Ryan, Afia? B or P?
P.
P, pizza?
Yes.
High five, that's right. Yeah, if I have to order in, I'd order in pizza.
And pizza is something I think that everyone, even Afia will love, and Ryan will also love. Yeah, Ryan, you said pizza too. Okay, I just have a few more questions. Achha, this question is for Baba. Now he has to guess. Okay, and you guys will tell him.
Okay.
Baba, what is
Okay.
Ryan's favorite?
Wait, Afia.
We'll wait for him.
Well,
Okay.
I have to guess something now?
You have to guess now कि Ryan का favorite ice cream flavor क्या है और आफिया का क्या है, and then the बच्चे will tell.
Favorite ice cream flavor, Ryan ka. Favorite ice cream flavor, Afia ka. Okay.
Mhm.
If we were to go to Baskin Robbins, Jinx to you too. If we were going to Baskin Robbins, Afia could possibly order the
Love portion.
really light portion. I would have said that you go for cotton
Cotton
candy, है ना? Cotton candy भी पसंद है आपको?
Okay. थोड़ा सा आपका जो है ना ये freeze हो गया है, but I'm hoping it comes back.
Sorry.
Cotton candy.
So Afia अगर Baskin Robbins जाएगी तो she might cotton candy, love potion or chocolate. Okay, Ryan is yet more exploring about flavors, but he would go with something which is chocolate oriented.
Or love portion.
He did enjoy the love potion, by the way, that's true. I think he enjoyed the baseball nut also. जब वो खाया था. So Ryan
Ryan,
explores,
this one.
but he would do so.
Yeah.
Any I might have missed?
Is Baba right?
Brownie madness again. Chocolate.
Oh, I also feel like having vanilla.
Okay.
ये कब से?
एकदम से. This is not on your list. Okay, great. Afia, I can see you are an ice cream lover, huh?
The
Yeah?
three of us. We
Yeah.
are ice cream
And
lovers.
mango.
Who doesn't love ice cream? आपके एक फैन में लिखा हुआ है pineapple यहाँ. What is your favorite flavor, उमेर? आपके फैंस में लिखा हुआ है pineapple.
अल्लाह अकबर. नहीं.
Okay, तो अगर आपको उमेर वालों को, okay,
I'm
not
very-
pineapple.
I'm very cocoa based.
Okay,
Chocolate,
okay,
chocolate, coffee, Jamuka almond.
okay, okay. Okay, बच्चों आपको कैसे पता चलता है कि अब्बू का बाबा का मूड खराब है आज?
G. Any ideas there?
डांटते भाई से वन थिंग ही सेज कोई एक चीज बोलते
भाई को डांटते हैं।
ओहो अब्बू नहीं डांटते अब्बू स्पॉइल करते हैं फेवरेट कौन है अब्बू का फेवरेटिज्म होती है रायान
Who's
विल
my-
टेल अच्छा आफिया ने खुद ही कह दिया कि मैं फेवरेट हूँ हाँ छोटी हो ना ओके ओके ऑल राइट सो बच्चों यू डन रियली वेल आई एम वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड ओके सिर्फ एक लास्ट मेरा सवाल है आप दोनों से अब्बू के लिए इफ देयर इज वन लाइन यू वांट टू राइट फॉर अब्बू ओके यू वांट टू टेल हिम ऑन फादर्स डे आप उनको क्या कहेंगे वन थिंग यू कैन से इट टू हिम वन बाय वन और यू कैन राइट इट यू कैन टेक अ मिनट जब तक मैं आपके अब्बू से बात कर लेती हूँ यू कैन राइट इट एंड देन रीड इट आउट
You think about it. आफिया आपकी अगर लिखने में देर हो रही है तो आप वैसे बोल देना ठीक है
या ओके उमेर मुझे आपसे ये पूछना था कि tell us something about fatherhood. You know, I mean, mashallah, now you have 2 children and Afia is also 5 years old. Is there anything जो आप अपने वालिद से you feel that I want to pass on and do the same thing with my children? Like, is there a connection there?
I think the lessons I had learned from my father, one, he's always happy. He's always jolly, always cheers things up, always looking at the positives, always having fun. So that's one thing. Secondly, a lot of affection. There's a lot of cuddling. Abhi bhi, abu mile to cuddle me in public if it have to. You know, he'd play with me like I'm a child still. So the affection is very important. One thing I've learned from my father is the opposite of what has happened. I'd always like to be around my children. Unfortunately, my father's not been around when I was growing up. So I would always want to be around my kids so that I'm physically there for them. Uske alawa, I think the learning I've had, which is I'm just a human being who can make a lot of mistakes, and raising human children who will make mistakes as well. So we try to just work our best to do a good tag team with them. So that's basically
yeah. It's hard. You learn as you go.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, exactly. Bachcho, are you ready with your one thing for Baba?
Yeah.
You can say it. Okay.
It's an advice. Ryan has an advice for me. I like it.
Okay, who wants to go first?
Ryan?
No.
Afia?
You go first. You go first.
Bhai, you were born first, so why don't you go first?
Yeah.
And then Afia. Ji bhai.
Enjoy.
Wow,
Okay.
that's wisdom.
So that's exactly what he said. He said that his dad used to enjoy. Yeah, very good. And that's what he should do tomorrow when you give him his surprise Father's Day. Okay, Afia,
Afia, what would you
what
say?
do you want to say to that?
Cycle outside.
Yes.
You love biking, huh? Seekli? Okay, excellent. Okay, great. So I want you to thank आप तीनों का शुक्रिया बहुत बहुत बच्चा is there anything you want to say that I missed something
Anything? कुछ कहना?
कुछ और कहना है okay
Thank you.
You're welcome. So I'm so proud of both of you for being here and being when I was 5 years old or 12 years old, I could not do this. So all the best and plan that Father's Day surprise because he's going to love it. Okay? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Umair, for joining us. Happy Father's Day to you and all the best.
Thank you very much for this. Thank you. Khudafis. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.